Hello guys, it's Kelechi here and welcome to my unboxing and review of the Tecno Spark Go 2020. An introduction I believe is a successor to the Tecno Spark Go Plus of January 2020. So when you open the box, yes, you are greeted with a smartphone and the key specs are boldly declared. So let's put that aside. Next you have an envelope that houses a rubber case for the phone and it feels tough. Next is the 12 plus 1 month warranty card. And then you have the charging brick, a micro USB cable and the earpiece. There is no SIM ejection tool this time. So how do you get your SIMs inserted? We'll get to that soon. So this is the Tecno Spark Go 2020. And it looks a lot more like the Tecno Spark 5, except for the other two camera lenses that are missing here. This phone looks very attractive, especially the back panel that comes with a gradient finish. It is made of plastic, but it doesn't feel like one, thanks to the sleek design that gives it a premium feel. But if you're still not assured of its safety, you might as well go on and fix the tough rubber case. And that feels much better. So on the right side of the phone, you have the volume rocker and the power button. On the left, you'll find nothing, no SIM card tray. At the bottom is a USB port for charging, a 3.5 headphone jack, and a mic that cancels noise. So to get to the SIM slot, you'll have to pull open the back cover, just like the Tecno Pop 4. And you have a dual nano SIM slot and then a micro SD card slot as well. This phone is nicely designed and carries premium essence. It weighs about 193 grams and this is the aqua blue color. The front sports a 6.52 inches display with a dot notch that houses the 8 megapixel front camera. This phone display is impressive. It has a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, an aspect ratio of 20:9. So if you go on YouTube, you can watch videos at 720p resolution. For a budget device at this price point of 47,000 Naira or $124, this display is acceptable. It is an IPS panel and the color is not disappointing in any way. Even when you're gaming, it is fully optimized for your satisfaction. Except that the bezels are quite noticeable, but not in a bad way. At the back of this phone is one of the major features of the Tecno Spark Go 2020, the 13 megapixel main camera lens. For me, I believe this is one of the major selling points of this phone after the massive 5000 mAh battery. A single camera lens with a performance that feels like a quad camera combination, and the other lens is obviously for video with a dual LED flashlight, and this is exactly the same camera pixel you have on the Spark 5. Obviously the picture quality of this phone is very good and acceptable. The color pops and it has good contrast level and clarity. In video recording it shoots 1080p, 720 and 480p resolutions. The front is 8 megapixel and you have a micro flashlight for your night shots. For the picture quality, I can tell you honestly it is good for a budget device at this price point. Hey guys, so please look closely and tell me what you think of this image quality and the sound. It is coming from the Tecno Spark Go 2020 and for me I love the picture quality. So let me know what you think about, guys. Another feature that sits well in this phone is the sound quality. The speaker grill sits at the back and it is audible enough when playing a music or watching a video. Here's how it sounds. What do you think? Also at the back you have the capacitive fingerprint scanner to unlock the device. The fingerprint unlock is fast, not really the fastest, but it is faster than the Tecno Spark 5, and that is a plus for the Tecno Spark Go 2020. And on the performance end, this phone is powered by a MediaTek Helio A20 processor, an efficient processor with a 12 nanometer chip that offers up to 40% higher phone performance, like surfing the internet, app launch, and also gaming. It comes with a 2GB of RAM that handles all of these tasks efficiently without hiccups or lags. For storage, it has a 32GB of internal storage, and it is expandable up to 128GB. All of these features are powered by the 5000 mAh battery. And if there is one thing that sets a smartphone apart today, is the battery, and this phone is no exception. The Tecno Spark Go 2020 sports a 25,000 mAh battery capacity, and that is a good deal for a phone, a battery that won't disappoint you and also affordable. So who is the Tecno Spark Go 2020 made for? Apart from seeing it as a good entry-level phone, for me, I'd say that this phone brings about a complete smartphone experience should you decide to buy one today. The only downside here is it will not run heavy applications or heavy gaming. So what you have is a good battery, a massive display, and a clean camera that will definitely impress you, and at a very affordable price. So if you're out there and looking out for a smartphone that performs well in terms of battery life, camera, and also performance, and you're on a budget, the Tecno Spark Go 2020 is a good option. And of course, it is not the best phone out there, and if you decide to go for other bigger options, all you have to do is increase your wallet and make a choice. How about being compared to the Tecno Spark 5? What do you think? So please guys, what are your thoughts about this device? Do let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.